Mask up in the morning, time to settle in. All the changes and the safety measures. Stay a meter, that's the distance to keep us virus free. Never pull down your mask when you sneeze. For our own, our friends, our family, keep COVID out of our reach. Wipe your tables, sanitize your hands, remedial, CC8 till 5 p.m. Back for one time, HBO starts again. What's the Zoom code? Can you send me again?
So now home-based learning begins. I still wear my uniform to meet my friends online every morning. Teacher, can you speak up louder? I can hear you, something's wrong. I think it's time to call the telecom. So much homework on my SOS, 10-word problems. Science lesson at 10 a.m. Sorry teacher, my iPad lag again.
Don't call my mother, I will log in again. Oh no, what's this website?
Where do I click to post all my answers online?
All the assignments piling.
I guess I will sleep late tonight.
To our students, don't give up just yet. Play our part and there'll be better days ahead. Stay vigilant, don't let the virus spread. We did it before, and we'll make it again. To our students, don't give up just yet. Play our part and there'll be better days ahead. Stay vigilant, don't let the virus spread. We did it before, and we'll make it again.